that my little shawty, that my little baby, that my little shawty. Oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty. Oh, that my...
What up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erica Denise, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be me basically transforming my hair because I haven't washed it in like almost a whole 30 days. The date of this actual video, I washed my hair on January 22nd, and the last time before that was on New Year's Eve, so hence the title. I didn't have any braids or anything in. My hair was just in a bun for like almost a whole month, so I had like a lot of product buildup and dandruff and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all all the steps that I took to get my hair back and popping or whatever. If y'all are new here, go ahead and subscribe down below and make sure you hit the notification bell so you actually get notified when I post a video. But without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. Okay guys, we're starting off with super dirty hair. As you can see how dirty my scalp is. And right now I'm just separating my hair into sections so it's much easier to work with because you know I got a lot of hair. I'm just showing you how dry and just unhealthy right now my hair is looking. And yes, I'm ratchet. I got a water bottle with a coconut oil in it. I popped a little hole in it, and basically this is how I'm gonna do my hot oil treatment. I just drench my hair in the oil. Now I'm showing you how much hair I'm losing. I'm not really losing hair. It's just like your hair sheds every day, and when you don't brush your hair every day, those hairs get trapped in there. And I'm gonna show y'all at the end of the video how much hair I actually shed hair I actually lost. So now I'm basically just gonna do the same thing. So all the sections, you know, drench it with the oil. I'm also finger detangling at this time, and then I'm twisting it up and moving on to the next section. In this one little clip, I'm just giving y'all a zoom in of my scalp so y'all can tell the difference at the end. So we're all finished now, and I'm about to put a plastic bag on my head, and I'm gonna heat it up with my hair dryer for about 10 minutes for the hot oil treatment. Okay, now you can see that the bag's a little bit puffier because I just did the hot oil treatment. Now I'm going to start the vinegar rinse. I didn't have apple cider vinegar, so I just used regular vinegar. And basically I'm still working in sections, but just not as small sections. I'm gonna combine two little sections into one section, as you can see here. And basically I'm just drenching my scalp with the water vinegar solution, and I'm just scrubbing it right onto my scalp, trying to loosen up all the dirt and, you know, dandruff and stuff. And then we braid it back up. Well, we plait it back up. And basically I just do my whole head like this. We're gonna drench it with the vinegar solution. We're gonna scrub the scalp real good, make sure it's getting nice and penetrated in there. I just want to let y'all know this whole process took about a whole goddamn day, but this is what you need when you haven't washed your hair in a whole month. And basically I just put this bag on there so we could sit for a little bit. I let it sit for like 10 minutes, and then I hopped in the shower, and I also washed my hair in sections too. So you can see here I'm taking down the first section, really rinsing out all that vinegar. And then I use the VO5, yes, shampoo. It costs $1 because I only wash my scalp. And then I use this little what is it called, hair scrubber washer thing I got from the Dollar Tree, and I've seen a lot of naturals use it on YouTube. But I found mine at the dollar store. I know they have like vibrating ones, electronic ones and stuff, but you don't need all that. And yes, we do a double wash because my hair is really dirty. And I'm gonna take the Aussie Mega Moist conditioner and we're gonna drench that up as well. So now I'm gonna finger detangle now that I have the conditioner on it. And when I'm finished detangling, I'm gonna twist that up and move on to the next section. Okay guys, so I just hopped out the shower. I didn't even record me rinsing out my hair because the water got cold and I didn't have time for that. I was like, let's get the fuck out of here. So right now I'm about to deep condition. Let me show you what I got this olive oil strengthen and nourish replenishing conditioner. I've used this before. It's got a new packaging, but I do like this. So I got 2 packs. Hopefully that's enough for my hair. And I'm gonna show y'all me putting it on. I'm gonna leave that on for like probably an hour while I go run some errands. But yeah. Okay, so like I was saying, I'm about to put on the deep conditioner. I'm just gonna show you guys my scalp compared to like the beginning of the video. It's much cleaner now. I'm not gonna say completely dandruff free because it takes a couple goes, but it looks pretty damn good to me. And now we're finally gonna use a comb for the last step. And I'm just gonna get the conditioner, the deep conditioner, and drench my hair with it. I keep saying drench, but I really do mean drench. Like, your hair needs moisture, especially if you haven't washed it in a while. And once I drench it, I comb it with the wide tooth comb. So I'm gonna leave the deep conditioner on for like an hour and a half. I went to run some errands, and yes, I did walk around like this. But we about to wash it out and see what the final result is looking like. Okay, this is what my hair's been looking like. It's probably been in here for like an hour and a half. Still wet on the inside, but it looks so moisturized, right? So I'm gonna wash it out and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I just rinsed it out. I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like right now, but I'm gonna let it dry in here for a little bit, and then I'm gonna do like a little wash and go, and I'll come back and let y'all see the difference from the beginning to the end. Woo! Yes! Drip too hard. Oh my goodness. My hair hasn't looked like this one in a minute.
What else should I need?
Oh my
That my little shawty, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, That my little shawty. Oh, that my little baby. That my little shawty, shawty. That my little baby.
That my little